Welcome everybody. Well, this is the last day of winter. On our Wednesday, we have a wind advisory that has been issued by the National Weather Service and a red flag warning on our doorstep. So we're kind of splitting hairs at that point. Bottom line is that we'll have elevated fire concerns along with these strong breezy winds out of the south. Could gust as high as 45 miles per hour at times. So kind of think of it sustained around 20 to 30, gusting perhaps 40 to 45 for the most part. We'll drop down to a low of 61, keeping us mild with those winds out of the south on our last day of winter. It's going to be very warm with a high of 71. Sunset occurs at 7:13. There will be a chance for a couple showers and storms a little bit later on. That's ahead of a cold front. So that cold front comes through and we cool down for the first day of spring. The vernal equinox occurs at 4:01. The equinox, of course, is when the sun's rays are directly over the equator and then heading into the northern hemisphere from there. So that occurs at 4:01 a.m. somewhere on the planet. And again, heading to the north then after that. So cooler as we go into our first day of spring, Thursday. In fact, the coldest will be Friday morning. We'll likely have frost developing. Area of low pressure strengthening, moving out of the Colorado plains and tracking right into Chicago. So it'll be right over Chicago tomorrow evening, and then continuing to move up there to the northeast. So we get this cold front sweeping across the area. Out ahead of it, strong winds out of the south. And we'll have a chance, maybe an isolated shower or storm. And then it'll be cooling down rapidly on the backside, and the winds will turn out of the northwest. So here we are Thursday, and that happens early in the morning. So technically a general thunderstorm chance for us. So we're good. We're in the clear. Any severe threats here, no worries, okay? I know we just went through some of that. In fact, so the National Weather Service did a survey, and so far they are confirming 2 EF4 tornadoes last Friday on March 14th. And so the last time that has happened where we've had 2 in the same day of EF4 was back in 1997. And so again, they're kind of they're keeping the surveys going. We'll see if they come out with anything extra, but that's the latest. Anyhow, we have, again, maybe a couple drips out here with that cold front. Boom, there it is around 4 or 5 p.m. And then it cools down. Those are some snowflakes showing up here on the computer model, staying up to our north, I hope. All right. Well, stranger things have happened. We're looking at winds out of the south, breezy here on our Wednesday, turning out of the northwest, brisk on Thursday still. And then they're back out of the north again. It's out of the south again Friday. Good grief, I'm messing everybody up. All right. Bottom line is going to cool down Thursday. There we are, 55. And the winds diminish a little bit though Thursday night. Chance of frost developing. 61 Friday looks pretty nice. 63 Saturday looks great. And a few more storms possible on Sunday.